Do you find YouTube analytics confusing? Do you want to know the exact elements you should focus on to improve the growth of your YouTube channel? In this video, I'm going to show you a must-have tool that will not only check the growth of your YouTube channel, but pinpoint exactly what elements to focus on. Hello, my name is Herman Drost from DrostDesigns.com. If you want to learn how to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button, then click the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. Here are the main benefits of MorningFame, a must-have tool to simplify YouTube analytics. It will show you if your channel is trending upwards, which specific videos made your channel grow, how strong is your channel's performance based upon watch time and accumulated watch time, which videos provided the best experience to your viewers and subscribers, which thumbnails have a consistent look, and which thumbnail would you click on compared to your competitors' thumbnails. Click the link below if you want to get the MorningFame tool. Every 24 hours, you'll get an email notification of how your most recent video performed. For example, this video got 249 views and it's the 5th most viewed after 24 hours. It also shows the thumbnail that you created and how it compares with similar videos. Then it also will give you the search ranking. So this video is ranked number 1 for the search term I used for the title, number 6 for a different search term, and number 5 for another search term, and number 4 for another search term. It also gives you the links for the top ranking videos that are roughly on the same topic. When you log into MorningFame, you'll see 4 tabs at the top: Traction, Strategy, Workshop, Velocity. Under the Traction tab, it says, is your channel trending upwards? This compares your latest 17 videos to the 17 videos you published before them. So you got it's trending upwards, that's good. Number of views, average watch time, engagements, engagement rate, and gain subscribers. How much did each video contribute to grow your channel? Your newest videos will appear here with the next weekly refresh on Tuesday morning. These 2 videos didn't make the channel grow, but shows the views, average watch time, engagements, engagement rate was good, and didn't gain any subscribers. And this shows the other videos also. For instance, this one made my channel grow, got a lot of views, good average watch time, a lot of engagement. Engagement rate was a little slow, but gained subscribers. Under the strategy tab, you got views, watch time, engagement, gaining subscribers. So above expectations is the subscribers and engagement. Watch time is a little below, and views a little bit below. Your growth opportunities, create more of these. So here I've got the videos that have got a grade based upon views, watch time, engagement, gain subscribers. So watch time is a little low on these, but here I've got grade A for watch time. These videos got a low grade, so it says here, instead of these, try something new. So try different topic. If we click the workshop tab, we've got views gained the last 7 days above expectations. Subscribers are down, and average from visitors down. Then we look at watch time. For watch time, we've got average from subscribers, it's a little bit below expectations. Average from visitors is above expectations, and accumulated watch time is a little bit down. Then it's got your growth opportunities. Your efforts would be well invested into improving your upcoming videos to get a higher watch time. I've got my top videos by watch time, then top videos by accumulated watch time. Then we've got engagement, total by subscribers, above expectations for visitors, likes a little bit down, comments is good, shares is good, and then consider growing the engagement of subscribers. So I've got top videos by engagement of subscribers, top videos by engagement rate of subscribers, subscriber experience. So here I've got a grade next to these videos. Looks like this one has got an A grade for views, watch times B, engagement A. Then if I click gaining subscribers, here it's above expectations. Then your growth opportunities, amount of subscribers gained per video is good. Top videos by subscribers gained. These videos attracted the most subscribers. And this is the visitor experience. Here's the grades next to the videos. If we check the velocity tab, it shows the velocity of views, date, views, likes, playlist, and type. Appealing thumbnails. So this shows, do your thumbnails have a consistent look? Do your thumbnails work even if they are small? So here's for the tablet and here's for the phone. Which thumbnail would you click? So hopefully people will click on this thumbnail. You also got publish at the right time, so you can check which time is best to publish. Good subscriber experience is the grades of the videos. Here are the main takeaways of the MorningFame tool. It will show you if your channel is trending upwards, which specific videos made your channel grow, how strong is your channel's performance based upon watch time and accumulated watch time, which videos provided the best experience to your viewers and subscribers. Do your thumbnails have a consistent look, and which thumbnail would you click on compared to your competitors' thumbnails? Now you know why you should get the MorningFame tool. Click the link in the description to get MorningFame now. Enter this code to get your 1 month free trial. Let me ask you a question. Do you want to evaluate your own YouTube channel? Download my free YouTube evaluation worksheet. It will show you what elements you need to improve on your videos and channel. If you want to learn how to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and subscribers on autopilot, click the subscribe button below and check out the related videos.